Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add the arms to the bear here. I'm going to go ahead and put my daring needle on this yarn tail. And we built up a bit of the shoulder here. That's the part that's going to go towards the head, more on the neck. So that way it falls once it's sewn on a little better. So I like to lay the bear on its side. I think that's the easiest for seeing where it goes. And again, you want the part that we built up at the very end here, that's really our shoulder. So we're gonna go ahead and get that sewn on to the first row of the body. I also like to add a knot here just to make sure that arm is really secure. You're pretty much gonna wanna go through every stitch of the arm. This is gonna help secure it so that way it doesn't come undone. And we're just gonna rotate around, primarily just working in the first and second row of the body. And I like to add another knot here under the arm on the other side. Okay. Okay. So I think that looks pretty good for the arms. I'm gonna go ahead and get this arm tail woven back through the body and get it tied off for the bear. And then I'm gonna repeat these same steps on the other side with the second arm. Okay, just like that.